This is John with Two Beards, One Review, and today we're reviewing the Kitool Mason Jar Sealer. It comes with 16 total lids, 8 for wide mouth and 8 for small mouth jars, as well as a opener. For this demonstration, I'm using an old pickle jar I have, and I wanted to see if it would reseal the lid that came with the original jar. It took a total of around 60 seconds to complete. Now, when I tell you it's tight, this thing works amazingly well.
Why is it so tight? Oh my gosh!
Holy moly.
Come on!
It's safe to say this works. This is John with Two Beards, One Review, and we'll see you in the next video.